Hi there. Educating and training the board of directors is one solution of many solutions to avoid the financial scandal, debacles, and wrongdoings within an organization. But there are other malfeasance caused by other directors, other than the board of directors, other executive, professional accountant, employees in general. So we have also to study this problem and make a solution for them. So in the near future, I'm going to explain the main problem caused by those people and the main crisis and the main malfeasance or wrongdoing and how we're going to solve them. But for today, I'm going just to give you an introduction what I'm going to do in the near future. Now, to avoid the malfeasance, including, for example, let's say misleading financial reports, and to talk about the environment or protection of the environment, the customer, the employees, okay, and the conflict of interest. Again, we have to build a framework. This framework is called as ethical governance and accountability framework, which in fact include a new expectation to protect the interests of the stakeholder in general and not only the shareholder only. So to avoid this problem, we have to build this framework, which is in fact to reform the trust of the user and of our accounts or the stakeholder, as I say in general, okay, to reform their trust in our organization. And a good example, but it is not only good, it is an excellent example in this case, is what happened in the United States when after the financial scandal and debacles of Enron, Arthur Andersen and WorldCom, and believe it or not, it is only a month or 1 month after the bankruptcy of WorldCom. That's law or that's act it taken into account, and it in fact it is applied to all corporations in the United States, which mean the listed corporation and those corporations which depend on the public funds or money to start their businesses or to increase their capital. And that's act, if you remember, I mentioned it before, the SOX, which mean the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 30 July 2002, and it is created by an intelligent guys, Mr. Sarbanes, who is or who was, I don't know whether he's still there or not, who was a member of Congress, and Mr. Oxley, who was a member of Senate. They came with a proposal to solve the problems of these the scandals and the malfeasances and the debacles and wrongdoings, and each one built a proposal. So the United States government, they bring this proposal together, and they investigate them, and they find that they are nearly the same or almost the same. So they ask the two guys to sit together and to modify and to in fact prepare one act. So therefore that act was work, and this is what it is named by their name, Sarbanes-Oxley, okay, Act, which is in fact an excellent, and that is in fact to reform the governance and the accountability of the organization, as well as the professional accountant or the external auditors. So I'm going to talk about it, as I say, in more details, and explain the main problems which face the organization, which are already faced, and how we're going to make this in fact program, or as we call it, the ethical governance and accountability framework, or we call it the new expectation. And my end, or my last point today, is that corporation and director of the organization, or even the board of directors, they cannot build this program, okay, themselves. They need academic to help them. So the academic are the intelligent peoples, in fact, and in fact to help them to make this program and this in fact framework. And I don't mean here any academic. Of course, those academic who are, most of their work are in fact based on research, and they are very enthusiastic and very interested in making research, not only in the corporation, businesses and accounting, but of course on the environment and on the pollutions and on the air and whatever, and in the horizon, everything they are intelligent that we need them to help us to make this culture program. And as I said, in the future or near future, I'm going to deal with these interesting subject. And from now, take care and keep well. Thank you very much.